class. Today I will start chapter 8, the hack driver. Hack driver means a horse-drawn vehicle. In this chapter there was a young lawyer. He completed his graduation from a law college. After completing his graduation from law college, he did not start practicing as a lawyer, but he got a job in a law firm या law company. He got a job of a clerk in a law company, but in the company he was not given a job of clerk, but he used to serve या send summons to the people who were not coming to the court. And the lawyer, sometimes when he was sent to serve summons, he was beaten by the criminals, he was abused by the criminals, he was insulted there, and the lawyer was completely fed up from his job, because when he had to serve the summons, he had to pass through a very dirty, narrow streets of the city, and due to the dirty and narrow streets of the city, and due to being insulted by the criminals, the lawyer was completely fed up from his job. He wanted to give up his job and want to start practicing as a lawyer in his hometown. Same time when he was thinking to quit his job, he got a chance to serve a summon to a village. The name of that village was New Million Village. New Million Village. In New Million Village there was a man whose name was Oliver Lutkins, and in spite of sending many summons to present in the court, Oliver Lutkin was not coming to present himself in the court, while he was very important witness of a case. He got the summon from the company and he went to New Million Village. When he was going to New Million Village, he was very happy because he was completely fed up from the city life, and he was happy because he was going to enjoy a village life. He thought that village life would be very neat and clean. There he would get the fresh air, and so he was very happy. When he reached to the New Million station and he came out of the station, his dreams, his expectations turned useless, because the New Million village streets were rivers of mud. There were some wooden shops on both sides of the street, and they were not painted, they were wooden, and the sight was not as he had already thought. And when he came out of the station, he met with a hack driver. The hack driver was middle-aged man. His cheeks were red and his clothes were very dirty, but he was looking very funny man. He was always ready to help anyone. When lawyer asked, "I want to meet Oliver Lutkin," he said, "Yes, I have seen him. He was at the station, but now I think he had gone." When he told to the hack driver that he had come here to meet a man whose name was Oliver Lutkin, hack driver said, "Yes, I will help you to find out Oliver Lutkin." and he was at the station, but now he had gone to the fish shop for playing poker's game. Poker game means it is a gambling game. And then after much bargaining, it was set between the head driver and the lawyer that he would charge $2 per hour. Then he took out his cart. The lawyer sat down in his cart and started moving towards the New Million village. Head driver was very talkative person, and the lawyer was thinking that he was with a correct man, he would certainly find out the Oliver Lutkin for him. And on the way, head driver asked, I think Oliver Lutkin had borrowed some money from you and you had come in New Million village to take out his money from him. Then the lawyer disclosed to the head driver that Oliver Lutkin was important witness of a case, so he had come here to give a summon. And then the head driver told his name to the lawyer that people call him with love Bill Magnuson, a very fancy cart driver, and Oliver Lutkin was a man who had borrowed money from many people. Once he had borrowed money, he never returned it, and he also disclosed to lawyer that he had taken 50 cents from him also in poker game. And the head driver told the lawyer that when he would go to the fridge shop in such a fancy cloth, he would run away seeing you, because he will think that someone had come to borrow money to take his loan from him. So he told lawyer if first he would go to the fridge shop, and when he would be so sure that Oliver Lutkin was there, then the liar would disclose his identity. And the liar obeyed the instruction of the head driver. When they reached to the fish shop, the head driver was standing in front of the fish shop and the lad was hiding behind his bag. And when he asked to freeze, he had seen Oliver Lutkin. First, Fritz hesitated, but after that he said, yes, he had come here. Now he had gone to Gustav Barber shop for saving. Now the liar and the head driver went to the Gustav Barber shop. The owner of the shop was Swede, and once again the head driver went inside of the barber shop, and Swede told him that he had borrowed 50 cents from him and he hadn't seen Oliver Lutkin. If he will meet him, he will take his money also. Then the head driver asked to one of the customer. One of the customer told him that he had seen him near the pool room. Now head driver again came to liar, and he said to him, probably he would have gone to Gray's barber shop. Then both the liar and head driver went to the Gray's barber shop, because the head driver thought he had some arrears here at the Gray's barber shop, at the Gustav barber shop, so certainly he would have gone to the Gray's barber shop. And at the Gray's barber shop, they came to know that he had gone to pool room, and when they went to the pool room, they found that he had bought a packet of cigarettes and he had left the shop right now. Now the liar was thinking that they were after the hack driver, they were after the Oliver Lutkin, but they were missing him. And the liar was feeling hungry. He said that take his card to any restaurant where he could get lunch. Hack driver told him that here there are no good restaurants. There are a few restaurants who always serve the very oily food. It would be better for him. He should visit to his home. His wife would pack him very delicious lunch. Only she will charge $50. Now the hack driver and the liar went to the house of hack driver, and the hack driver wife packed a lunch. Then the hack driver took the liar to the village side, hillside, and the liar sat down on the top of the hill, and he was finishing his lunch, and the hack driver was enjoying him by telling the different funny stories of the village. The liar was not unhappy that he was not able to find Oliver Lutkin, because he had got a very good natural surrounding, so he was very happy. After finishing the lunch, hack driver took him to the farmhouse of Oliver Lutkin, and he told him that his mother is a terror. She is 9 feet tall and 4 feet wide, and it would be better for him that he himself went to her. And he also told him that once he had brought some trunk in his farmhouse, and anyhow he had done a mistake. Then she got angry over him. Now the hack driver and the liar went to the farmhouse of Oliver Lutkin, and then the hack driver went to the mother of Oliver Lutkin, and he disclosed her that she had seen Oliver Lutkin. And thereafter he said he is the man who had come from the city, from the court. He had warrant to search out your son Oliver Lutkin in the farmhouse. Hearing all this, his mother got angry. She went to the kitchen. She took out an iron rod from the stove, and she chased both the hack driver and the liar out of the farmhouse. When the liar looked back, he noticed that the mother was laughing. And when they came out of the farmhouse of Oliver Lutkin, the hack driver and the liar searched out the whole farmhouse through the windows, but the Oliver Lutkin could not be found. At last, the liar returned to the law firm company without serving the summons. The owner of the company got angry, and he sent him back to New Million Village with a man who had already worked, who identified the Oliver Lutkin. Next day again, with another man, the liar came to the New Million Village, and when he came out of the station, he told to the new man that he is the hack driver who helped him to find out Oliver Lutkin. Then the new man told him that only he is the Oliver Lutkin, and then the Oliver Lutkin told that he had made him fool, and with the help of the villagers, only one house was left in my village who hadn't seen him, and they are waiting for him. They are waiting for him for a cup of tea. This is the detailed summary of the chapter, The Hack Driver.